Well, there you go. Their little dog came up with me. There's the view deck. Blue skies, gorgeous. The neighbor. You can see a little bit of the runway over here. Let's see. A little bit. And as you can see, this is where you taxi onto the runway. Nice beautiful trees. The fake owls, they keep the pigeons away. So there's a little gate here with a few little steps and a deck. Whew. There's the rooftop that you wouldn't walk on, but they built this really cool deck with some seating and such here. Nice view though. That's where I was standing a minute ago. They got their satellite over here. That's a good place for it. Again, there's a piece of the runway. And then the wood detail out here. That's where I was standing, and then there's the stairs to go back down. All right, talk to you later.